Okay guys, Hari Maatika 2021. I'm in Donggongon as usual, and under those big umbrellas, first time I'm under it, under very heavy rainstorm, and from the roof above me you can see the water falling from the roof. There is no gutter to catch that, and from the roof the water splashes into the ground right up here. Sooner or later it will cause a flood. These streets here can flood easily on this kind of storm, because I don't think the drains are done properly. But at least this place just opened from 2 weeks of lockdown, so this area just opened today, even though it's a holiday. The pharmacy is there, some corner shops are already open. These were all closed yesterday on the lockdown. So Raman is still closed, and I'm under this big umbrella under heavy rain. And luckily the shops there are not splashed by the water yet. But the other end, opposite Megalong, the water is flowing like hell from the sky, from the roof, from the umbrella, right down there. So one fine day there will be a big hole in that pavement, and nice, Gunung is there close, but luckily he's not subjected to the rain yet. Okay, the rain splash is not getting him. Okay, the air is smelly. I have to put back my smells of hops. I have to put my mask on. I think Megalong just opened today after being closed until yesterday, right? And so this is a park there with park benches that is subject to rain. You cannot sit there during the rain, but so far this one is a bit dry. Right, what happened to this one? But the spray of the wind and the rain does get it wet. Yup, it's wet. So the roof is doing nothing if it's under the rain. Even the park benches are wet, and the rain is really falling like hell. So in this part of the world, if you don't do your roof properly, it's useless. And the statue of Dato Peter is here, but of course the roof on the other side I think is doing better. But this is how much useful the umbrella are during the rain. Now you can see for yourself. Nobody sheltering under this roof. Even a cat cannot shelter under this roof. So it's doing nothing, just decoration. I get a bit wet standing underneath it because the wind blows. If the wind doesn't blow, it's okay. So Donggongon is quiet. First day after being reopened from the lockdown. But the lockdown is only half the town in this area. Here you can see this roof is only adding a lot of water spray to the walkway during the rain. There's a pharmacy on my right. And the rain, concentrated rain flow from the roof, from the umbrella roof, is splashing the pavement here. So what's the use of it? And it's already flooding on the side walkway. The drain is unable to cater for the intense rainfall, and water collected by this umbrella. So instead of providing shelter, it's spraying my feet and everybody on the sidewalk. So that's the design flaw of your umbrella. Bloody useless. That's what you get from an umbrella roof. So what's the use? Small dry area here, but not really dry when the wind blows. And here's your roof. A nice waterfall. Maybe you can generate some electric power from that for a few minutes. A micro hydro with that. What a waste of energy. Well, you think?